Hello. Today we are going to learn how to edit MemoryNS archival description forms. What will we focus on? Archival description form functions such as how to edit, how to delete, how to move items, how to duplicate items, and the drop-down menus within the form. And now that I've told you what we're going to work on today, I will show you on the website. This is the MemoryNS home page. You access the archival description form and you go to the Add Plus button, and it is located right here. This is what a blank archival description form looks like, but I created an example file to show you all the functions the form can offer and to ensure there is no confusion as you move forward. This is the example file, and I'll draw your attention to this bottom bar. As you can see, there are functions laid out on the bottom, such as edit, delete, duplicate, move, and more. All of these functions are very helpful when you're editing your archival descriptions. So let's first talk about the editing function. This brings you to the standard form, but I've already filled it out so our information is already present. So you can open up each of the areas, and each area has important information that you should include for your description. So when you open one, you're able to type within them, you're able to use the drop-down menus, and then once you're happy with your information, you can save. The next item in the list is to delete, and we obviously know that when you select delete, the entire file will be removed from the website. Now we're going to talk about duplication. This tool is useful if you're creating many descriptions that are very similar to one another. If you have a top-level description that you want to duplicate, if you select this button, it will create another top-level description. Now, if we go into a series, and this allows you to duplicate a series. This is a way to ensure that you're cutting down on your workload and you're not retyping all of the information out again if you don't need to. So I'll select the duplicate button, and you'll see at the top that there's this notice that this is the duplication of the record. And you can still go into it and edit all the necessary information to change any aspects if you need to do so. And then you press save, and then all your information is present. So let's go back out to the file. The move function allows you to move items within a multi-level description, and if you make a mistake, then it allows you to move items wherever you need them to go. Another way to move items is using the little bars that you can see on the screen and just moving the items like so. This is easy for someone to do if they have a minimal amount of series or information within a multi-level description. It will save automatically when you do this. So the final thing on this bottom bar is the More function. I will draw your attention to Update Publication Status. Not every account has this ability to do so, and if you do not have that status, please contact the CNSA office and we can publish your archival descriptions for you. When you click Published, this means that all outside users can view the archival description, whereas if it stays in draft version, only those with MemoryNS accounts can view the archival description form. Let me draw your attention back to the editing function. And I want to talk to you briefly about drop-down menus. If we go to the title of area and responsibility and go to repository, many institutions are making this mistake and are quickly typing their institution's name into this bar. However, it is very important that you slowly write in your institution's name and select it from the list, because if not, you are creating new institutional profiles and we want you to have one profile with all of your descriptions. So that's a tip about your drop-down menus. Generally, you should type in slowly and select items from the list. That is all the necessary information you need to know about using the archival description form. Thank you very much for watching.